You are probably wondering how you can make some quick and easy money using the laser engraver that you bought. One thing that you can do is these 4x4s. You can get them at Home Depot for about 10, 11 bucks. Not just this block, but I'm talking about an 8-foot long one. You cut them into 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch boards. You just need some sanding capabilities and a saw to cut with. Once you get those things, you mark it, cut them into 1/4 inches. You have like 100 of these coasters. When you're done with this, you'll have this. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. It's seen better days. You'll sand this down super smooth, get all the sides, get all the little crunchies off there. And you're gonna engrave this. Now that coaster took me at least 2 full seconds to do, as you saw in my hyper speed video. But what we have is a smooth coaster now that we can engrave. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put inside this laser machine, put some cool design on here, and then afterwards, or prior to, you could stain on here. If you wanna change the color, you can stain it. You're probably gonna wanna put some kind of clear coat on here. That way it's like water resistant and everything when you put it down the table. And on the bottom, if you really want to get into it, you can put some little pads to make it sit even, and also just to sit slightly up off the table. But let's jump into this laser engraver. All right, so just for a little bit of reference for you, that took me all of just a few minutes to do, and I think you can make like almost 400 of these shaped coasters for what, 11 bucks with that board, and if you have a miter saw. So even on the cheaper end, $4.99 for 6 of them. You'll pay off your board by selling 12, roughly. Or you could do the $10 ones, handcrafted. Over here, 32 for a bulk bundle. You can even see the miter saw in the background. Like, this is just an easy money maker, especially if you have this. Just make these, sell them however you want, have custom ones. If you have people at work that want stuff, you can paint these in, put epoxy on top. All right, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Until next time, guys.